Hello everyone, welcome to part 19 of dating series in Laravel 5.6, and in this video we are going to protect our routes. We are going to protect our routes that we are using after login, that like review and step 2, that dating profile, and all these routes need to be means only after login. See here, review is still coming even if the user has not logged in. Even then it is coming. This thing is wrong, and we are going to protect, and we will do this thing with middleware. And middleware we have done earlier on. Middleware in the earlier videos we have added the middleware, but we have never used it. Now we are going to use it as well. Okay, so this is this thing, and along with this thing there are other errors. There are few issues coming in our dating profile, and that we are also going to resolve. And one thing more, that after adding the profile, see, if the if user updates the profile, and then this review message comes here after updating the profile, and if admin approves that again, then if user refreshes this page, and this will automatically go to my dating profile instead of review profile. Okay, so a few of the things we will do in this video. Okay, let's start. In part 19 we are going to protect our routes that need to be open after login, like review, route for dating profile route, that is step 2 route, dating profile route. Okay, so in the earlier videos we have created Frontlogin Middleware. If you remember Frontlogin Middleware, we have created, and we also starting frontSession every time when user login or register. Uh, uh, yeah, so now we are going to protect routes. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we are going to update kernel.php. This one must be located at path. I will tell you. Kernel.php was located as path app http. Okay, so we will add this one front login. We will add front login class. See, yeah, front login class in kernel.php file. .php file under this one, under route, under protector middleware. Okay, so here we are going to add. We can simply copy this one and we'll make changes here, and here we can add front login like this. Okay, so here also we are going to add front login, that is our class name, like this. Okay, so this thing we just need to do, and this class we need to add. Okay, So after adding this one, now we are going to update web.php file. Now we will add route group. Okay, route group of middleware of middleware Frontlogin, and will place all routes that we want to protect, or we want to access after login only, like review one is step 2. Okay, extra. Okay, now this step we are going to do, and in web.php file I am going to update routes. Okay, so here, see, these are two routes that we need to secure, so we'll add route group here, route group. Okay, and in this one we will add middleware like this, and then we will add Frontlogin like this, Frontlogin. Okay, then we simply need to add function here, adding function, and do like this. Okay, so these two routes we can add inside that. Okay, fine. Now we can check. Now this we can review. Now, okay, issue has come. See, now in third step we need to add the session in our Frontlogin.php middleware. Okay, so update Frontlogin.php middleware file. Okay, so now we will add a session. Okay, now we will add, we can say below header statement in Frontlogin middleware file. That is use session. Okay, now this one we are going to update here, use session like this. Okay, so now we will refresh again and we'll see now it comes at home page. Review we can't able to access, and it comes at home page now, because in Frontlogin we have given that if frontSession is empty, then it will redirect back to home page. So now it is not working, and you can also check in UserController file that every time when the user login or register, we are putting this session, we are means adding frontSession email in frontSession, and we are starting this frontSession. Okay, every time when we register and every time when we log in. Okay, so we are doing like this. Okay, see here as well, we after login we are we starting frontSession with email. Okay, so now this frontSession is empty, and a review page can't be accessed, and it comes back. So this is the thing I am talking about. So now see, so now it's fine. Now few other issues are there that we are going to resolve. Okay, we are going to log in with the rock at the rate of your mail ID, and we'll see rock at the rate of your mail, and will see it reaches step 2. Now see it reaches here. Now see if I will click on submit here, then see the review profile has come. Okay, now if the I will open in another browser, and okay, we can say here if this user details of rock, okay, user detail of rock, and see here if it in case this one is the user ID, and it going they approve this profile one. Okay, still if we are going to refresh, it is not refreshing, means here my profile must come. See, it is approved by the admin, but if we refresh, it's not coming. Means see here my dating profile means it's approved, only then my dating profile is coming, but still review page is coming. So this review page won't come even if the user will type review here and will try to open this page, but it will not come as the profile is not under review actually. Okay, so we are going to work on this thing now. Okay, so for this thing we simply need to update review function. Okay, so this one we are going to do, see, if user updates its profile and admin approved it, then review page won't come. Instead of review, my dating profile page must come. So we will update review function. Right. Okay, so and we'll add condition there. We'll add condition there, like if user status is 1, then means 1 means approved, then review page won't open. Okay, very simple condition we are going to add, okay, in review function. Okay, so let's do it in user controller. We are going to update this review function, and in user controller I am writing here so that if my voice is not that much clear, so you will not face that much problem. But here you can see the line is coming in my PC laptop, so that is the issue that I will go to computer shop and get it resolved very soon. And but right now, sorry for that. And if something is not clear to you, then you can ask in comment. Okay, I can give you code if in case some function or something is not clear. You can ask straight away to me. Okay, so let's update review function. So here we will first going to fetch user ID. User ID we are going to get from auth function, like we used earlier as well. And here user we already know, and then we'll check ID here as like this. Then we will check once if it is coming correctly or not. That's right. Okay, we are going to not showing anything, and make sure. Six, now it's coming. 6, now it's working fine. This file is not saved last time, so now now we are going to check the user status. Okay, we can give like this user status, and from users detail table model we are having, and we just need status, so we will insert select command. It's always good if we just need to select 1, 2 column, then always give select. Okay, and then where condition will come, and then user ID will come. Just simply put comma here and can try user ID, and here first like this. Okay, so once you will get, then we are going to see that it's working fine or not. And user status, now it comes in status like this, and then we are going to check to if it's 1. Okay, then it means that we need to return it to return redirect. We will not allow that review page to open, and we will redirect the user to step 2 page, that is the dating profile page. Okay, so here as we are going to add return view like this, and here we are going to show this one, same thing we can show here in else condition, that is not required here. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we are going to refresh the review page, and we'll see it comes to my dating profile. Okay, so now if the user is login and if its profile is already approved, then he can't open the review page. Okay, only he can open if he click on submit, and then its profile is under review. Then even if he will try to open editing profile, that profile will never come, only review will come. Now you come to know that if the profile is under review, then always review page will come, no dating profile page will come. And if the profile is approved and not under review, then always dating profile page will come, review page will never come. So this is the thing that we have done. Now there are a few more errors that we will resolve. Okay, now you have seen in video, if profile is approved, then review page will never come, and if profile is under review, then dating profile page will never come. Okay, this is the thing that we want to achieve. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add new user, and there some of the issues that we will resolve side by side. Okay, new user addition. Now I will add first any of the ID I will add. Okay, so I can give ID like Austin. Okay, elevate.uofmail.com. In later stage we require u of mail. Okay, we can add 1.5.6 simple weak password we are adding. This is for testing, so we can add weak password. Austin is the name. Now we can simply click on register, and now click on register, and we'll reach to step 2 paid with the error. Okay, so for the first time user, this error has come because we have missed something in languages and hobbies. Okay, so now we need to update step 2 .play.php file. Okay, so uh, so this error is coming as the languages and languages means this variable does not exist at all, and due to this error has come. See this variable $.file languages, this does not exist because language is not selected, and we need to add condition here. It's not empty, means .file if .file language is not empty, only then it will work. Okay, so we are going to resolve this issue. We need to update step 2 blade file to resolve the languages issue, and the same issue we will face with hobbies as well. So we need to add not empty condition with both variables to sort out this issue. Okay, so let's do step 2. Okay, so here we'll check languages first. Very simple condition we will add with languages to resolve it. Okay, so let's resolve it, and see here not empty condition we have missed here. See, with all other fields we have added not empty condition, but not here, we have missed it completely. So this condition is required, not empty. Okay, and here we are going to add this variable like this. Okay, so now we're going to add again. Okay, now see here for hobbies, we need to add here hobbies. Okay, and here we have added for languages. In both the cases we have added not empty condition. Okay, so now we are going to refresh, and we'll see. Now there is no error message. Now it seems to be fine. Now we can continue selecting here all the things. Okay, so you can select and you can give any. Okay, so okay, now select any of the language. You can select any French speak. Okay, so this one we can add anything. There's education, we can add anything you want. Okay, okay, add anything you want. Testing profile, adding testing profile, and looking for good partner. Simple enough. Okay, now I'm going to add submit, and we'll see another error here, and we need to add complexion, because complexion is having error because we have added this complexion later on. Okay, in the last video we would have added this complexion. We have forgot this complexion in the earlier videos. So now we have added the complexion. We need to update step 2 function as well to resolve this complexion issue. So we will update now step 2 function. So now we will update step 2 function in UsersController to resolve complexion issue that we have added in last video. Okay, so now this field we need to see that where we are lacking, where we have not given this field. Here we need to give that in the same way. If this field is empty, complexion, okay, simple enough. And then if not empty, then we are going to add this field as well. We can add here. Okay, so yes, it's fine. So we can add at the top. Okay, here we can add complexion as well. Okay, fine. Now we can refresh again and we'll see that if issue comes or not, and we will see now issue has been resolved. Okay, so now you have seen that this issue has been resolved as well, and now we have added the complexion in a perfect way, and now our profile is under review. And see now if we are going to do from admin this time. Okay, so that we make sure that no issue comes. Okay, so here to add main. Okay, so we are going to add here and here as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we will see from admin that we will try to this is the profile, the last profile we have added, and right now it is disabled, and we can now make it enabled, and we'll see it refreshing it. See, yeah, it's fine, it's perfect, it is perfect. Now this is the thing that I always want, that if it's on instant basis, if the user going to refresh and from backend the admin going to approve the profile, then instead of review that my dating profile comes. So if in case if he disproved again, then if he refresh again, then we'll see review profile comes. Okay, so it is working really perfectly, and now no issue is also coming here, and you can see all the details are also coming here now. This is the thing that I always want. Now we enable once again and we'll see, and yeah, it's working perfectly. Now this is the thing. Now there is no error. Add dating profile is working fine. Review is working fine. My dating profile is working fine, and most of the things are working fine. Now we can log out and we'll see again if review page is coming, not coming. We can see step 2 as well, and it is also not coming. And that middleware, frontSession middleware, Frontlogin middleware is also working fine. Okay, so these things we have done in this video, and now you have seen in video that whatever we have done so far is working fine. Dating profile, review, and my dating profile all seems to be working fine now. Okay, that's all for now. More we will do in next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's all for now, and now I hope that everything is clear to you and enjoyed watching this video. Okay, that's all. Have a nice time. Goodbye.